We've been making Kindy-Glitz for over 30 years, and it was really formulated for professional card makers, and it's still being used by them today. We still make Kindy-Glitz here in our factory in Sydney. The glitter we use comes from the US, and while we've tried many different glitters from around the world, we've found this is the most consistent. It's really interesting the way they make it. Basically, it's a sheet of very thin aluminium foil that's then coated on both sides with a colour. It's then coated in a resin, and then using a guillotine, they cut it up into really, really small pieces. And that gives us the glitter. Kindy-Glitz can be used on pretty well any surface. Paper, card, canvas, pretty well anything. But keep in mind that it is water sensitive, so it does mean, if you give it a good scrub with soap and water, it will actually come off. If you want to use Kindy-Glitz on a wearable, the idea would be just to gently put a coat or two of varnish, water-based varnish over the top of it to hold it all together for a brooch or a badge or something like that. So why not give Kindy-Glitz a go? We think it's the best glitter glue in the world. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button below.